It is common for babies to be fussy about the foods they eat. They might not like how it tastes, looks, or feels. As parents, it is natural to be concerned about your baby's nutrition if they occasionally refuse to eat. Discovering the best ways to get your fussy baby to eat can help keep them healthy. Babies often fear new foods, not just because of taste, but because they are unfamiliar. If new foods seem challenging, try adding a pinch of spices to their foods. Try different shapes to catch their attention. Never force your child to try a food. Support your baby's independence by offering them 2 options to choose from and allowing them to decide how much to eat. Don't stress over spilled drinks or food on the floor. It is a normal part of learning to eat. Accept the mess as part of your baby's discovery and comfort with food. Getting your child involved in food activities can teach them to make better food choices. Ask them to help in grocery, making food and cleaning up. Babies can be social eaters, and it can be the best way to get your fussy baby to eat. Your baby might be more willing to try new foods if they see a friend enjoying them. Use kitchen gadgets to make your fussy eater happy with their food. One of the best kitchen gadgets, BabyMove Duo Meal Station, is your all-in-one solution. It steams, blends, defrosts, sterilizes, and heats bottles quickly. It saves time by preparing meals quickly and preserves nutrients for healthy cooking. It is easy to use and clean, dishwasher safe and free from harmful chemicals. The good news is that children are likely to get less fussy as they get older. Be a positive role model as your child looks up to you. So, if you eat healthy food, your child may follow your example.